Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Isomerization is a chemical process in which a compound is transformed into any of its isomers, molecules with the same molecular formula but a different arrangement of atoms. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reactant. The reactant is N-butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, a straight chain alkane with 4 carbons. Moving on to the next step. Identify the product. The product is isobutane, 2-methylpropane, CH3CH, CH3, CH3, a branched chain alkane with 4 carbons. And for the final step, compare molecular formulas. Both N-butane and isobutane have the molecular formula C4H10. The carbon skeleton has been rearranged from a straight chain to a branched chain, but no atoms are added or removed. Identify the reaction type. Since the molecular formula remains the same, C4H10, but the structural arrangement changes, this is a structural isomerization reaction. AlCl3 acts as a Lewis acid catalyst, and heat, delta, drives the rearrangement. Eliminate other options. Polymerization would involve combining multiple monomer units to form a larger molecule. Molecular formula would increase dramatically. Not applicable here. Cracking would break larger molecules into smaller ones. The carbon count would decrease. Not applicable here since C4C4. Dehydrogenation would involve removal of hydrogen atoms to form alkenes or alkynes. The molecular formula would change, lose H2. Not applicable here. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.